He died.
The bird must be dead.
No, let it go.
No, he's alive.
Let it go.
Oh, he's alive.
He's alive.
He's gonna be dead in a minute.
Hey, chill out.
They don't eat birds, do they?
I don't know. I don't think so. I thought they were herbivores. I'm not really sure.
Don't drop it.
He take him back over there and put him on the other side of the water.
I knew he was gonna do that.
What is he doing now?
They're gonna eat him.
Oh, where did he go?
What the heck?
You put him in the water down there.
All the way.
Swim.
I don't know what it. Oh, he over there. Let's see, y'all. This is crazy.
Putting
Let's
the
see.
bird back in the water. The bird
He
is
putting the
dead.
bird back in the water
The bird
again.
is dead. It dropped
It's
it.
dead.
It's dead. No.
It might be.
The bird must have fell in the water by mistake.
He's dead. He's dead. I told you.
He's drowning it.
He's drowning it.
He's drowning it.
Oh, why?
I know. It's so sad.
Oh, it sure is. That's sad.
He's dead.
Damn, he killed it.
That's why I never attended.
Oh, he killed. Now he's ripping his wings and stuff loose. So he is going to eat that.
We're gonna eat the monkey.
Now he's rubbing him.
We're eating the monkey.
So he just deliberately killed him and then just ran away.
You guys said they don't eat birds. They're herbivores.
Eating